Keep your GPS device within reach while on the move with this carabiner clip. Your device fits securely into a mount that clips to your belt. Package quantity: 1. Product type: GPS or navigation system. Package dimensions: 5. 8 cms, L, x7. 8 cms, W, x17. 3 cms, H. Country of origin: Taiwan. Top reviews from the United States. Works fine on the Garmin 64SX. The clip works fine on my Garmin 64SX. Slides easily on the back of the unit and snaps into place. Some complained that it was hard to remove. I don't find this to be the case. You just lift up slightly on the bottom of the clip and then pull down. The carabiner clip seems pretty robust. I use it to clip to my belt loop when walking. Have not used it yet on my backpack, but don't foresee a problem. While it also has a plastic clip that you can use, I find these tend to break rather easily. My only complaint is the price. It should be about half the price for what you get. Better yet, should come with the GPS. Garmin is not that customer-friendly, as they charge extra for a usable map for your GPS, so it is no surprise that the clip is overpriced.